In this video, I'm going to give you 3 expert tips for your next parking lot striping job. I want to congratulate our 2 newest members of the All-Pro Parking Lot Striping course this week. We have Patrick from Wichita, Kansas. In addition, let's also congratulate Donald from St. Louis, Missouri to the All-Pro Parking Lot Striping course. If you would like to find out more information, please check out the first pinned comment below. So here's 3 expert tips for your next parking lot striping job. Always make sure the surface that you're painting is free from debris and oil. This is important for the longevity of your parking lot striping job, so you don't want to paint over debris or either oil spilled from automobiles in the parking lot. Number 2 expert tip, always make sure your paint is stirred completely and filtered with a paint strainer before using it in your airless parking lot striping machine. Unfiltered paint will cause clogs in your tip, causing a deviation in the spray pattern, and your parking lot job will not look good. The third expert tip I want to give you today about your next parking lot striping job is always have a paintbrush and a small roller on hand. Practically every parking lot striping job will need some touch up with a paintbrush or a small roller. This could make the difference whenever your machine can't get in tight corners. Now for a bonus tip for the people who have stayed this long in this video. Always communicate with the management of the parking lot striping job that you're currently doing to have cars removed from the parking lot. Sometimes it's not possible to have every car removed from a parking lot, but as many as you can get gone, the quicker you can be with completing your job with less hiccups, hang-ups, and heartache. Again, if you want to learn about parking lot striping, check out the first pinned comment below or go visit BillyDavidsonVIP.com, where you will find a parking lot striping online video training course with over 14 hours of online behind-the-scenes video training that will get you started in your parking lot striping business ASAP. Included is a lifetime membership and mentorship where you work with me personally, Billy Davidson, to help you estimate your first few jobs to get you up and running quickly. Charging enough money each job is very important. A lot of times, some of our students are afraid to charge the going rate prices of the industry, but once they learn the routine and how to estimate these jobs, the profits can be very good and sometimes unexpected on how much money they can make each day parking lot striping. Recently, I was working with one of the Billy Davidson VIP students to the All-Pro Parking Lot Striping course, and he's landed a $47,000 job parking lot striping a parking garage. Obviously, these larger jobs can be challenging, but think of the fact that you can make in 2 weeks more than you can make 6 months at your regular job. Another fact that you can think of, if you can typically land 2 of these larger jobs each year at around $40,000 to $50,000, this could be life-changing money just on a part-time basis. And remember, if you want to get in touch with me personally, check out the first pinned comment, click on our website, and you'll find my personal phone number right there. Call or text anytime. I look forward to working with you in the very near future.